Uh-oh, can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close, and you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more, just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? Unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food. A popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. A marble. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look, we've got Zootopia blind boxes. Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute. It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hops. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like. It's Zootopia's police gala, complete with a big surprise. Why, it's the town's historical records, and they're laminated. You can tell Gary's excited. Hey, who turned off the lights? Hey, Nick, can't foxes see in the dark? Either way, did anyone catch the perp? It looked like Gary. You better go find him. Ooh, he's behind the door. But we need the code. Got it written down? Well, we just need to try anything. Let's just hope it doesn't lock you out after 3 tries. Guess the code's just a donut away. It's for a worthy cause, our new ring toss game. And I think he ordered the triple-decker deluxe. It's important to rest after such a big snack. So, why don't we take this card off your hands? Okay, Hops, Nick, why don't you step on in? Ooh, Gary sure is acting slippery today. Going down the rabbit hole's nothing new for you, Judy. But we should probably clear things up for you. Wow, Gary sure knows how to move mountains down here. Oh no! Sand! And I don't mean a day at the beach. Well, let's make like a mole and dig you guys out. Are we at the Bellwether family reunion? Well, while you're here, let's get shearing. Let this be a lesson to all you gym rats. A bodybuilder's best friend is a close shave. It's their #1 rule after that whole leg day thing. And I don't mean 2 legs bad, 4 legs good thing. Wow, it looks like this ewes a ballerina. Our next sheep sure is feeling festive. Brings new meaning to a Christmas skirt. Something tells me this little lamb's not like the others. Careful, Judy. He's got fangs, and he knows how to use them. Jinkies! Gary left a clue for us in all this cotton. We're gonna need a helping hand. Don't want that venom. Something tells me this might take a while. We found the snake pen, and it's even got the antidote. Messing with parking meters? Now that's just evil. A former meter maid like Judy never forgets. Which means we're authorized to put everything back in place. And write up a few tickets as needed. Maybe we can interview a few witnesses. It's Flash Slothmore, and someone took his wheels. We gotta help him. He's got a need for speed. But try something bigger than buttons. Coins? Cookies are a terrible thing to waste, but this is truly for the greater good. What did I tell you? Go, Speed Racer, go! Mr. Sea Lion looks mad. Did you call him a seal? Guess we need to win his game. It's Whack-a-Soul. Guess the moles were on strike. Hop to it, Hops. It's easier than catching fish in a barrel. It's your prize. Guess a dream is a fish your heart makes. But now it's time for our next game.
Wow.
Roll that pearl into the winning bell. Something tells me we should try again. They say third time's the charm, but maybe we'll get lucky. Or maybe not. Anyone ordered a shark? Don't worry. 3's always a lucky number around here. It's Russ! And he'd be happy to give you a lift. This looks like a good place for grub. Make that grubs. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. So try it. Look, this guy wants apple juice. Put it on your tab? Well, we'll need ID. Wait, that gives me an idea. Look at everyone's ID. This will help us find Gary the Snake incognito. Oh, this is just Sir Hiss. Hey, wait a minute. Don't worry, I'm sure Hiss will be back to his old self. Oh, he is one slippery snake. We just need to take a closer look at things. Okay, Mr. Chameleon, we see you. Now scram. Come on, Hiss. You can run, but you can't hide. Yeah, you kind of need hands for handcuffs. Ugh, slime. Well, better on than in. Let's wash you off. Come on. Hey, now there's a familiar Fennec face. Fennec's got the key, but you gotta pay. Guess we'll need to dip into the funds. Well, maybe Nick's got a trick up his sleeve. Ooh, a matching game. Maybe we can win a prize. A badge? A carrot pen? Huh, this looks like Judy's stuff. Maybe we can find her lost loose change. Or at least match everything up, whatever comes first. The other badge! And by process of elimination... I knew it! You just left your money in 2 random boxes. If I had a nickel for every time that's happened to me. We've certainly earned a little treat. But first, let's look at the special prize inside. Oh, so that's where they're keeping unicorns. But I think we were looking for something more key-shaped. Sorry, but we're gonna take a rain check on the squid game. Like I said, 3rd time's the charm around here. The key! Okay, open up! In the name of Zootopia! Careful, he's got junk, and he knows how to use it! Guess it's never too early for some spring cleaning. Pick a door, any door! Seriously, just look. They've all got some tails sticking out. But there's always clues if you look hard enough. Yeah, snakes don't exactly wear shoes. This trail looks like paw prints. But maybe I should rephrase things. Snakes don't exactly have feet. Oh, hi, Derpy. Okay, now door number 3 gets the glitter test. I mean, it's the only option, but you gotta be careful. It's Hiss! We've got you cornered. Uh-oh, looks like he wants a food fight. Okay, we really need to get this guy to freeze. And we've got just the thing, some ice. Come on, Hiss, we know you're cold-blooded. Make like Mr. Big and ice this guy. Come on, we've got to return the book. Don't worry, I'm sure Gary will be back to his lovable self.
Yay!
At least, by the time he thaws out.